The fire of fuel tanks represents one of the most dangerous threats for chemical and petrochemical storage farms. Industry databases show that the oil industry has experienced several oil tank fires worldwide, and some of them have developed into very large disasters. The causes of such disasters may start with a vent fire or a rim seal fire that breaks out and grows undetected to a point that it spreads over the whole area, and therefore, the fuel tank becomes surrounded by fire. In the worst-case scenario, the intense heat radiated is absorbed partially by the tank shell and pontoon until the point that the metal sheets lose their mechanical stability. The most efficient way to avoid such fires to develop uncontrolled is to install an early fire detection system near the rim area to monitor the temperature around the fuel tanks and detect the unnormal overheat, hotspot, around the fuel tank. Since fuel tanks are located in hazardous explosive areas, the hotspot detection sensors installed on the fuel tanks are required to be intrinsically safe. Besides this, the sensors must be durable for outdoor use under sunshine and in chemical and salty atmospheres. The system should be able to cover large areas with minimum blind gaps and should be easy for installation and maintenance. Senkox developed the temperature monitoring system for fuel tanks based on many years of field experience. The Senkox TDS-FS fuel tank temperature monitoring system is composed of Senkox HSD linear hotspot detection sensors, the control panel, and accessories. Sensors can be reused up to 260 degrees Celsius. After 260 degrees Celsius, the outer jacket may break, but the sensors are able to continue to measure the temperature up to 800 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the system can not only provide fire alarm, but also can continuously provide fire information after fire occurs, assisting the fire extinguishing process. Senkox HSD linear heat sensors stand out from other similar technologies for their robust application advantages. The sensors are made of ceramic materials, and the outer jackets are made of Teflon and stainless steel. The sensor generates an electric voltage via thermoelectric effect when there is a hotspot along the linear sensor, requiring no external power source. Because of this, the sensors can be used in sensitive areas. The sensors are also durable for use under direct sunlight for over 10 years. The flexibility of the Senkox HSD sensor cables allows it to be mounted around the tank. The system provides real-time temperature monitoring and also detects precise location of hotspots. As a result, safety personnel have real-time data of the thermal conditions of the storage tanks. Elevated temperatures are most likely to occur near the secondary seal of floating roof tanks, as these are the areas suffering from high abrasion and the presence of flammable gases. HSD sensors are installed along the secondary seal of the floating roof tank to provide real-time data regarding temperature elevations. For spherical storage tanks, the HSD sensors are installed on the surface of the spherical tank and continually monitor the temperature of the tank. Detection of any hotspot will trigger location-specific sprinkler system to activate. Using various Modbus communications, the DAQ module can easily connect to any existing DCS or fire alarm system to provide real-time temperature information to control rooms. The DAQ module can also function independently without connecting to an existing alarm system or control room. This flexibility allows the Senkox TDS-FS system to be a perfect solution for any specific configuration requirements. For the last 15 years, Senkox has provided temperature monitoring systems for hundreds of fuel tanks. We aim to provide advanced linear temperature monitoring systems and customized services to our clients. Visit our website or speak with a Senkox specialist today to find out more.